Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm FX Ninja and welcome to our channel. I want to quickly show you around. This is the cardinal spike detector and I want to take some trades, some live trades using this very powerful system. Okay, I want to see if I can get some trades right now. Okay, we have a signal here on boom 500, so let's take it. This is a $50 account. Let's take it with 0.3. so having a signal here and having done our little analysis on having a spike at that area, so let's see how it goes. Let's search for more signals. With this system you are going to get a lot of signals. We have another signal here on crash 500, so we are taking it with 0.3 lot size. Okay, so we're taking that signal expecting a crash, and after taking the signal we have to set our stop loss. Of course, our stop loss is usually 10 candlesticks. Okay, 10 candlesticks. So we have another signal on B300. okay, it's gone. So you can see we took this signal but we opted out here, and you can see it's still on the go. So this is B1000, it's on the sell trend, so we are not going to take any signal on that, okay, until the buy resumes. So we have a signal on B500. We are waiting for the spike at this very zone. You see that? Did you just see that what happened there? So that is how this system works powerfully. You can see the initial signals, okay, that we had that went into profit. So if you are interested in this system, be sure to contact us using the link in the description of this very video to get your own copy. So let's close P500 now in good profits, closing. All right, we have another signal on C300 and we are going to quickly look at it if it is something we should go for. All right, we have a double top here, so I think C300 we can go for that signal on C300 1 minute time frame. Of course, what we have just gotten on C300 is a preparatory alert, and we are not going to be taking that signal because C300 is on a buy trend. So for information on how this system works, we have made a video on our channel. You can search for that video on how this system actually works and how you can maximize profits with this system. So let's see C500. okay, we are here to get a spike. We are expecting a spike on this C500 and also on C1000. okay, we had this entry initially and we have the spike, so we're holding on for more spike. That's, yeah, we have another signal here, so you see that's already spiked there. So we are waiting for more spike down because C1000 is on a sell trend according to the MACD. Like I said, if you are interested in how this works, we've made a video and you can see this is trading on a particular zone. So a video that has been made on how you can use this system effectively. Search for the video on our channel and get the system and enjoy cashing spikes. This system is very, very powerful. It's very, very wonderful. So you see we just got a spike on B500 just now. So if you're interested, click on the description of this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel. The settings for this setup has been reviewed in the video of how this cardinal spike detector works. So you can refer to that video, or you see the video on your screen right now, so you can click on it and watch the video. Thank you very much for watching. Till come your way again, I'm FX Ninja. Bye for now.